I get it.
Hot damn! There was some nice cars in that video. G'day guys, I'm Tim from TimberFloor'Us. This is actually my garage that I'm standing in, and it's been coated with epoxy resin. I love epoxy resin for a number of reasons. First of all, it allows me to seal the concrete, and it's going to stop dust from entering into my home via the garage. The second reason that I really like it is I'm able to work in here on my cars, and it doesn't matter if I get oil that spills onto the floor, it simply just wipes off clean and will not stain. The third reason is it looks great. This is a do-it-yourself product, and it's so easy to use. Everything that you need is included in the kit. So we have the 8 litres of epoxy resin, we have the chips if you choose to put that in there. We have the applicators, it's $399 plus postage and handling, and we have the videos that have step-by-step instructions on how to end up with this result. If you'd like to find out more about this product, then please click the link below. Thanks again for watching.